Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the ways to create a Coinbase account. In order to create a Coinbase account, you have to first of all start by downloading the application. So open up a Play Store. On the search box type in Coinbase, and when you locate the Coinbase application, click the install button and wait for the application to be completely installed. When you're done installing it, click the open button and it's going to take you to the home page. So here, after you're done installing it, it's going to take you to the home page. So click on the sign up button and start creating your account. Unfortunately, I think the application doesn't seem to be working in my region, so I'm unable to show you the procedure, but it's a very simple process. You just have to go ahead and provide your personal details, contact details, and create an account. Mark in the terms and condition and verify your identity by providing a government issued ID, and you'll have successfully created a Coinbase account for beginners. So that is how you could create a Coinbase account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.